much.
Jay, Ekang, I wish you all the best. Good luck. If you have any conflict in your relationship, always remember, God is there. Nandiyan din yung mga parents na pwedeng hinga ng advice. Nandito naman kami. Ganyan. Hindi nawala sa amin si Erica, kundi nagkaroon ako ng isang kapatid na lalaki pa. Na talagang inaasam-asam ko rin dahil puro Maria yung mga kasama ko. Wala naman yung kapatid kong lalaking isa, so nandiyan ka na. Welcome to the family. Thank you.
Congratulations, Tita Erica and Tita Kay.
I never felt alone. I was happy on my own. And who would ever know there was something missing? I guess I didn't see the possibility. It was waiting all the time, but it never crossed my mind till you opened up my eyes. Now all I think about is you in my life, in my dreams, in my heart. I know it's true that I belong with you. Because of you, in my world, in my arms, I have everything, and I can't imagine what I'd do without you. I never thought that love would be such a curiosity. What attracted you to me was so